We've asked BBB-accredited charities to tell us how they're supporting the relief effort in the Ukraine.
Americares is a health-focused relief and development organization that saves lives and improves health for people affected by poverty and disaster around the world. Each year, Americares reaches 85 countries on average with medicines, medical supplies, health programming, and emergency relief. Americares has extensive experience supporting the health needs of displaced people around the world, and Americares has been supporting the health sector in Eastern Europe since 1986, providing over $1 billion in aid, including directly to Ukraine. Americares is a health-focused humanitarian organization, and we are meeting the health needs of children and adults affected by the escalating crisis in Ukraine and surrounding countries. Americares' response is focused on delivering medicines and medical supplies, supporting health services, and providing mental health and psychosocial support to families affected by the violence in Ukraine. Americares has an emergency response team on the ground in Poland, assessing health needs and coordinating the delivery of medicines and medical supplies into Ukraine to support hospitals and ground medics operating there. We hear from our team that there's critical need for IV solution, antibiotics, insulin, wound care products, and trauma kits. Americares is ready to meet these needs and more. Americares is also providing emergency funding to local organizations to support the health needs of children and adults caught in this crisis. The funds will enable the local organizations to provide mental health support services to refugees, to train staff in crisis counseling, and to hire Ukrainian-speaking staff that can help connect refugees to resources in the host communities. Additionally, Americares is ready to deploy emergency medical teams to the region to provide primary care services, treatment for wounds and injuries, and mental health support. Americares has deep experience providing mental health support to refugees around the world, and Americares is making mental health support services available in this crisis as well. Americares is focused on meeting the health needs of those affected by the crisis in Ukraine and helping to ensure that the host communities have the resources they need to support displaced families. The impact of Americares' work is improved health. Our ultimate goal is to save lives through the medicines, medical supplies, and resources we provide. We know that the health needs are immense in this crisis. Americares is responding, and we are ready to meet these needs and more.
For more information and tips on wise giving, find us on give.org.